Okay, example 2, we're going to look at expanding using the properties of logarithms to expand some things. So basically the way this works out is sometimes it's more helpful to have it as a bunch of different logarithms. Sometimes it's more helpful to have it as one logarithm.
Got to be able to go both directions.
Yes. So what you're looking for is things like multiplication, division, or exponents.
Right. What's happening here?
Nothing. Pay no attention to what was going on the screen. Okay. So think of this 8x y to the
right
4th.
here?
I was going to show them what buttons we were pressing, but whenever we get there.
Okay.
Okay, 8x y to the 4th. Think of that like it's multiplication, right? Because that's what's happening.
Right.
Okay, and so multiplication inside of a logarithm, you can change into separate
Addition.
Logarithms.
Yes.
Yeah, with addition in between them. And that's that first property on our previous slide, the top of your paper. And then the other thing that we can do is anytime we have an exponent situation, we want to move the exponent in front of the logarithm.
We don't want anything up there.
So log 8 plus log x plus 4 log y. That is our final answer for this.
Yeah, it looks good. Now, always double check your bases because there may be an occasion where a number like 8 could reduce further.
Absolutely. If this had been log base 8
or log base 2
or log base 2, but 8 would be simpler to like log base 8 of 8 is 1.
That's 1.
So keep that in mind that could happen.
If it was a base of 2, it would have been a 3.
Yeah.
Figure that out?
Yeah. So now let's do the natural log of...
It's going to follow all the same rules.
Yes.
The reason it's going to follow all the same rules is because a natural log is still a logarithm. It just has a base of e. So nothing's different here at all.
I like putting parentheses around what's inside my natural log.
I think that's brilliant.
Okay. And then we are dividing here. So we need to separate the top goes in for the first one.
Top
and then
minus bottom.
Minus the bottom, right. And then on this square root of x squared plus 5.
Rewrite it with an exponent.
So we can put that, what exponent is the square root?
So it's going to be a 1/2.
So
it's going to be 1/2.
That's, well, it depends on if I want to skip a step here.
Don't skip a step.
Okay.
Let's just show all the steps.
That's what I was thinking. X squared plus 5 to the 1/2. That's the same as the square root. And so we move the 1/2 in frontsies.
Right.
And, ooh, that's bright. 1/2 natural log x squared plus 5 minus the natural log of x. Now
that's it.
That's it, because, and you might accidentally try to keep going, but these are being added together.
Right, they're not being multiplied.
Right. If it was multiplication, we could keep going, but it's not. So let's stop there.
It's a good idea. It's a good stopping point.
Yeah.
All right.